Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting Wednesday here at the shop. We have a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate to build, and this is a nice one. I can't wait to do it because it's an all black truck. We have 24 by 12 black KG1 forged wheels going on it with some 37-inch Toyo Open Country RT trails and a 7-inch McGaughys lift kit. So super excited about it. Like I said, my customer's name is Drew. He drove from Charlotte, North Carolina for a 2 to 3 day install on this one, and stay tuned for the process, man. I can't be more excited because the truck is brand spanking new. It only has 299 miles on it right now. Look at this truck. 2025 Onyx Black is the color of this truck. It's like it's perfect. Everything on this truck is already gloss black. The fender trim right here is gloss black. The front grille piece right here that used to be the Vader chrome is gloss black, and the whole entire area around the grille is. This is awesome. You couldn't start with a better truck. I mean, you put anything, you could put that lift kit we're putting on this and tires and wheels on any other truck, and it wouldn't be as nice to me. Look at the interior of this thing. This leather's really nice. This is the air-conditioned seats. Has your badges everywhere. 2 big screens inside. If I had to build the nicest truck in the world, it'd have to start on a frame like this. Stay tuned. Thank you. Well guys, it's only once every couple of months that I get to say this truck is absolutely awesome. We did basically a full install on a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. We did all my favorite stuff. We did a KG1 wheel, we did a Toyo tire, and we did a McGaughys lift kit. Stay tuned, or actually stay tuned no more, because I'm about to flip the camera around and you're gonna see the truck. Let me know what you think about it. Here's this truck. You know, you just saw my cinematic clips of it. I am absolutely in love with this all black color. It looks so good on this 2025. You know, it has that new black around the grill here instead of the Vader chrome like they were doing, you know, 2024. So it makes the truck that much more blacked out to me. The very, very subtle amount of Vader chrome on this truck and the regular chrome in mix goes perfectly with the wheel to me. It has all gloss black wheel with a silver floating center cap from KG1 forged. They have the best floaters to me. It's paired up with a Toyo Open Country RT Trail and a 37 1350 24. Absolutely my favorite, you know, Toyo Nitto entry for these big wheels and tires right now. They have the best tires you can get anyways, and I just love this tread design. I think it's awesome. The lift kit also matches very well. That black and stainless steel front cross member from McGaughys is awesome. The colors really tie in together nicely. Look how good the angles are. This truck's set probably around 8 inches in the front. It's a 7-inch lift kit that's adjustable up to 9, but we have this one set at around 8, so it's perfectly safe and everything. On the fenders, he does have the color matched fender flares. Now, he could have bought the truck with these on there already. Some of the models come with flat black, so you have to buy the upgraded ones. And GM puts this really bright orange ugly side marker on there, so I see the customers already bought these Recons. I sell these as well too, so if you guys have the trucks like this and you want those lights, just let me know and I can add it to one of your builds. The lift kit comes with the front strut tensioners, or kicker braces as some people call them, black and stainless steel to match the front cross member. Then the torsion bar drop brackets the same color. We did not do the traction bars on this truck, I'm gonna say yet, because I think he does possibly want to do them in the future. I'm not totally sure. But overall, everything on this truck turned out amazing. He's about to head back to Charlotte, North Carolina with this truck today. He's on the way now. Wanted to give him a shout out, say I appreciate him driving. If you guys have any questions about this build, or you want a price on anything or set anything up, call me. The number here is 678-994-9180. I'm gonna attach a build sheet to the end of this video so you can see kind of what the price breakdown is on this truck particularly. So appreciate you guys watching. See you next week.